Innovation and globally competitive manufacturing key to developed India. Piyush Goyal. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal has said that innovation, deep technologies, startups, MSMEs, and globally competitive manufacturing will drive India's next phase of economic growth and help realize the vision of a developed India by 2047. Addressing the 22nd JRD Tata Memorial Lecture in New Delhi, Mr. Goyal said the country must strive for excellence and ensure that Made in India products earn global respect through quality, innovation, and competitiveness. The minister highlighted several initiatives to promote innovation, including the 1 lakh crore rupee Research, Development and Innovation Fund, the India AI Mission, and the second Semiconductor Mission. He said these initiatives will further strengthen the country's innovation ecosystem and accelerate the development of emerging technologies. Mr. Goyal said the government is creating an enabling business environment by reducing the compliance burden, decriminalizing outdated laws, and improving the ease of doing business. He added that skill development should become an industry led movement supported by the government through an enabling ecosystem. The minister noted that India continues to remain the world's fastest growing major economy despite global uncertainties. Calling upon industry to invest more in research, innovation, and skill development, Mr. Goyal urged entrepreneurs and investors to support homegrown deep tech startups at an early stage and help them move from innovation to commercialization and global scale. The Commerce and Industry Minister also paid tribute to JRD Tata, saying his vision of excellence, innovation, and nation building continues to inspire Indian industry. He expressed confidence that these values will help realize the vision of a developed India by 2047. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.